This is scary.
Is it? Damn, babe. Wait. What's good, YouTube, man? I'm back with another motherfucking video. It is windy today, but I convinced my girl to go shooting in Foodie Fest. Yo, what's good, YouTube? Hey, this nigga trying to shoot the littlest gun, nigga. You shooting a shotgun.
Oh, I ain't shooting no shotgun.
Then why you got it in your hand?
Yeah.
What's that?
Because it looks cool.
Nigga, shut up. But yeah, look where we at, bruh. Yes, sir.
I personally don't.
This right here, I think I'm gonna shoot this first. I'm low-key scared. But you have to come with me. Come with me. Not close. Just put your headphones on.
I'll shoot the AR, I'll shoot the pistols, but I'm not shooting that.
Wait.
Cause you a bitch.
I don't give two shits, nigga.
Mama, Daddy.
Okay, sit
What
down.
is he talking about?
Wait, is it on me over here?
I need more meat on my bullets before I shoot a shotgun.
Yes, on you.
Babe, you can just come.
You ready? Daddy's gonna shoot it.
Not that bad.
Yay!
That's the shotty. It's not, huh?
Man, rip that bitch. Rip it.
What is that? Mommy. Daddy.
I'm gonna make the chair fall. Never mind. What the hell? This shit ain't nothing. This ain't shit. What the hell? This ain't nothing. Them niggas over there blowing shit up, bro.
You like it?
Hey, these some good ass headphones.
You fuck with it?
You wanna shoot this?
You fuck with
This ain't shit.
it? You fuck with it?
Hell yeah.
Mommy, I go.
Like I told y'all,
How I feel with the gloves?
this is the best purchase that I got, boy. You can't feel shit, no recoil. Everybody scared of this big bitch.
Bad. Make sure ain't nothing in there.
I just shot
In the
that.
chamber.
I just shot it.
Sit down, mommy.
Yay! Thank you, mommy.
Yay! Yay!
That bitch got a crazy recoil, no cap.
I thought
Yay! Sit down, butt.
the only thing is, it fits 9.
Come on. Sit down.
How Tupac did it in that one movie? He popped those cops in their legs. Every day, Tupac said something. And he was like, go, go.
That shit hurt.
I'm not doing that thing. You see these bones? skinny as shit. You talk about
That shit hurt. We need to get a better pad.
you look. Oh, you got nothing right there.
We need to get a better pad, bruh.
It'll put a dent in my shit.
Shoot the AR again. Shoot the AR again. I'm gonna shoot the tire. I'm hitting it.
Where the hell I put my clip at?
I need to know if I'm. Huh? Yeah, look, yeah, you hit it. There's smoke coming out of it. Am I putting these in the right way? They going.
Think you the shit, bitch. You're not even a fart.
This?
How to hold this shit again? I don't want to fuck up my finger.
You want me to show you how to hold the gun? No. That's how you fucked it up last time. Grab it. You grab your other hand. No. Put your finger not on the trigger, like straight. Yeah, so you put this hand. Nope, nigga, let me control your hands. Yeah, you put it like that. Put this on top. Mama, sit down. Cock it back.
Huh?
Did you cock it back?
You ready?
Did you cock it back?
Yeah.
Shoot.
Sit.
That nigga shaking. Why you shaking, bro?
I'm trying to aim.
Oh.
Did I hit it?
You think you the shit, bitch? Y'all niggas off, bruh. Y'all niggas need to go shoot. It might be a fucking war. There you go. And you really just cock it like, yeah, no, lift it. Oh. Well, just cock it back.
That shit has a strict label of 21 and over. Bye.
Yeah, there it goes.
That was cocked back?
Yeah.
This is scary. How I hold it like this?
On your shoulder, babe.
Like this?
Yeah. But you have to go up.
Ooh, this
All the
is.
way up.
If I fly, my job is.
If you fly, you going on YouTube.
I hold it like this, right?
Yeah. Is it a... Damn, babe. Wait, what the fuck? Wait, why would you start? I'm trying to guide you through it.
I know what I'm doing.
You know what you're doing?
Yeah.
All right, you going? Hey, you gonna be the first 30 seconds of my goddamn shit. Oh shit! Damn! That bitch crazy.
This motherfucker heavy as fuck.
That bitch crazy.
I don't want.
I think y'all want to watch me a lot, so I might turn off the camera. So we gonna lead this video right into the Foodie Fest. I think y'all know what the Foodie Fest is. It's where a lot of vendors come with their trucks.
Oh yeah.
And they sell food. So I think I'm gonna end the video here, but I have to shoot. Y'all have to come with me to shoot this gun for me to end it all day. Lamar, you have to walk with me too. Don't be that far, scary.
Fuck. Guess what? A camera can fucking zoom in.
You got it?
Yeah.
This is gonna be the intro of the video. Yo, what's good, YouTube? We just came back to the house, freshened up. You see me, I got up my, bro, these sandals is comfortable as hell. Now we're going to Foodie Fest. We're finna take this ride home. The vlog, it ain't like how I want it to be, only because I don't have a cameraman or I don't have nobody, like, you feel me? I can't hold my camera and do everything. But it is what it is. Enough excuses. I try to get as much done as I can. But now we on our way to the Foodie Fest. Look at my car, man. But if you haven't already, like, comment, and subscribe, nigga. I'm doing all this for you. Like, comment, and subscribe, brother. Ain't playing no music, man. It's gonna fuck up my whole vlog. No cap.
They're gonna be playing some of that.
Why the song go?
I don't know.
They gonna play that. You not even that shit. Wait, how it go? How it go? You not even a shit. Oh, you think you the shit? Oh wait, you think you the shit? You not even a fart. You be going hard. Hey, like but left heart. That ain't going. That motherfucker gonna clip his ass.
I'm gonna lie to you.
That's fucked up.
I don't care.
That ain't time I'ma laugh.
I don't give 2 shits.
Hey man, I'ma see you niggas when we get in there, bruh. Like I said, I ain't got my scrap, but I got these bitches right here. No capper. No capper. Babe, what we eating at first, man? Shot it. Shut that bitch. We get. Okay, I want like some ribs or some shit. Some of the best of the best. Like we can cut through right here. Touching my ass. No, it is, nigga. You touch it, nigga. Bro, that is me. You gotta picture her as me.
That's a skinny ass.
So if you don't want to get by my ass, you literally have to like.
Man, if you want me to smack your ass, just say that.
What, nigga?
Yeah, you keep talking about it, bro.
If I want you to smack her ass.
No, yours.
What? Get your goofy ass. Big goofball.
I done did too much goofy shit today.
Yeah, you a goofy.
What I did in the desert?
I think I want some catfish.
Nasty ass.
Shut your goofy ass up. Or some hot wings. She bullshit. She over there talking about I was born this way. Bitch, which way you was born? This dirt. Ooh, shit.
Where the fuck you going?
We gotta look through.
Right here? What that shit called? Sharp barbecue? Can she get on that? Lamar! Just call me, gang! That nigga do not want to be by himself, bruh. That's like slow as hell. Huh? What is that?
Oh, you gotta say what?
Huh?
You gotta say what?
I said that slide slow as hell. You talking about this? Yeah? Babe, you got chapstick? I'm gonna lick my lips too much and I might get that little shit around my lips. You feel me? That nigga retarded. I gotta win my baby something, bro. They cheated the shit out of me last time. We ain't having that. Yo, damn nigga, you almost got 8. That bitch almost. What the fuck? You don't look at my balls like that.
What I tell you about this public shit, man?
What?
I'm not the freak. I gotta get mine. Come on here, y'all.
What?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
He like Lambert.
He said he look like Lambert. What you was trying to do? Mama, what you want to do? You can't get on that. You too small. Oh, she can. Well, god damn. Look at this line, buddy. Yeah, no, we looking for some barbecue.
The baby can get up there. I'm gonna be up there by myself. Where's Larnade
doing
then?
the food and stuff, the famous nigga that be doing the food, and he be going to go taste the food. You sent them to me before.
Him?
Yeah.
Oh,
He go
no.
around Vegas tasting.
If you want a video for he playing a game.
Man, I'm gonna get copyrighted, so I'm finna fucking, you know, pause this shit. Hey, my man. Hey, y'all take Apple Pay? Yeah. Yeah, I need some fish, man. It smell good. That's what I need. I need some fish. He's talking about, oh yeah. Nigga ball. Oh, y'all was in line, huh? Oh, okay. I want the plate, the fish plate, whatever, the fish dinner. It just come with fish and fries. Alright. Trying to see what that hit for. Let me check my receipt, make sure this nigga didn't give himself a tip. He supposed to let me press no tip. Turn it on. Is it vlogging? Show? It say recording. We finna taste. Look where we at. We finna see. I've never been to Mississippi before. We finna see what they talking about.
Is it good?
She tripping.
He didn't even let me still have
She
one.
tripping too. The fries.
Let me have one.
The fries. I'ma give it up.
I'm still in the fry.
So what? The fries. I'ma give it a It's just like regular fries. Pepe. Let me see the hot sauce. Wait, first I'm gonna bite it without the hot sauce. Alright, without the hot sauce, I give it a 8.5. 8.5. With the hot sauce?
Question is it fresh? Because it says it's fresh.
Nah, it's fresh as hell, I ain't gonna lie. This shit tastes like it's fresh out the grease.
Again, you get some bread, so
Wait,
let's make you a little sandwich.
that's some real country shit,
Let's
gang.
make you a little sandwich.
Look what type of bread they gave me, like.
Yeah, you some grocery store bread.
That's how you know. You always want to eat from the hood, cause if you ain't eating, it's gonna be nasty. So you want to eat with the ghetto people. Hey, with the hot sauce? That's an easy 10, gang. You want beef? Yeah. That been friend for sure.
They can be a little bit more crunchy.
I don't like mine too crunchy.
Like me,
Mario's gas.
yeah, that's how I would want my fish.
I gave him an 8.5.
What about you, CJ?
It's the bread. It's the bread hard as
Huh?
stuff.
I gave it an 8 out of 10. With the hot sauce, like a 9. You feel me? We'll wrap this up because I want to go eat something else. But I'm gonna see y'all until then. So,
Yeah, like.
bye. Hey, so,
Yo, you
bro,
get one.
lemon pepper what?
It's
That shit
lemon
look
pepper.
disgusting. I ain't gonna cap, but let me taste it.
Get a flyer or something.
I'll tell you for real. Get rated 1 through 10.
It's too much seasoning. It's 10 though.
Let me get some ranch.
I gave it an 8.
He said 8.
Not on yourself. It's not on you. It's not on
Bro, my bad. God damn.
Too much seasoning.
Shake it off.
Hell no.
We back finish your plate there.
Y'all got napkins up here, no? Oh, I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna have some high-ass blood pressure.
Nigga, them ass. That tastes like, what type of, you know the seasoning when you get drunk, the lemon seasoning salt? Yeah, that's exactly what it, nigga, you took my napkin? You took my napkin. Nigga took my napkin. He a cold nigga. Sorry about that. I'm finna rate it right now. Wait, hold on, bro. So I rate that probably like a 5. Thank you. Oh no, you all right. I rate that right there like a 5. A 5 out of 10. That shit disgusting. I don't fuck with it. Them fucking chicken wings that they was eating.
There's so much seasoning on my
That bullshit. That nigga ate the whole. Ooh.
I just told you the nigga come up to you, slap it out your hand.
Nah, you know what that tastes like? Like a nigga sprinkled the salt. Babe, you know the lemon salt that you sprinkle when you get drunk?
They the whole thing on it.
That's what it tastes like. Like they just put a lot of that shit on it. You wanted that?
He on it.
I want one more bite out of it, nigga.
That nigga hot. You alright?
I'll just go find me something else to eat.
That shit was disgusting. I ain't gonna lie. That shit right there was disgusting. But see y'all in the next fucking meal, gang. Decent.
No.
You said no?
Kiss it?
Yeah, you have
Oh,
to.
I thought you said kiss it.
I thought
I'm like, oh.
you can't be seen picking that big motherfucker up and putting it by your mouth.
I can't. This shit hot.
I want to taste that though. Rate that 1 through 10. What's the name of this?
We in the kitchen.
We in the kitchen. I'm finna rate this motherfucker. He looking at my bag like he want to check it. That nigga got a Glock on him. That nigga looking at a knife.
You tell your mama.
That nigga walking around. That nigga walking around with a Bible.
Protection and a good souvenir.
That nigga walking around like he trying to. Yeah, let me taste one of them. What is it called? We in the kitchen?
Wanna taste it, Laura? Where you get it from?
These was definitely smoked and they bomb as hell, no cap. These bitches gas. I give him a 9. I give him a 9 out of 10. Grab one more. Grab one more of them bad boys.
something to drink. These motherfucking corn dogs too hot. Let's go get some lemonade real quick.
I don't know. I'm full, so I'm just be trying people's shit. I ain't gonna lie. Hell no. I might ask the wrong drunk nigga. Ain't eat nothing. I asked the wrong drunk nigga, we probably be fighting in this bitch. You gonna be like, man, this all these motherfuckers, you just come up and ask me. Say, damn, nigga, your shit look good, bro.
No, but you do know the difference between $100.
They selling wallets, hats, beanies, ties, shirts, nigga, paintings.
Everybody.
That Bob Marley painting dope as hell, I ain't gonna cap. Roll out. Roll out. Ain't gonna lie. That's the best thing I ate. And I had that before. They outdid themselves today. I don't want no macaroni. They outdid themselves with that though.
Mommy, eat it.
Roll out. Look at my TT up there, cuz. Hey, you know what's crazy? Do I got more nieces than nephews? Yeah. I got more nieces than nephews, and it's like, that's how you know I'm getting older. Like, I'm old as hell right now. I ain't gonna cap. Is 24 old as hell? It's just old. What the fuck you mean, bruh? I don't know. I'd take it. I ain't gonna lie.
Nah.
So what you consider of? What you consider of being young?
They say what age you supposed to marry?
Know everything.
That supposed to know.
Like street smart or like
Like 25.
education smart, like book smart. Book smart? I feel like you supposed to know everything book smart when you like 30. I say 30.
But she wanna go play.
Cause that's like when lawyers and shit get out of school, right? Like 25, 28. So
You gotta think about it.
street smart, your ass need to be street smart at 12. No cap. You heard me, Terrence? Nigga, you need to be street smart at 12. No cap.
Probably 11.
No cap. Nowadays, these motherfucking 11-year-olds be big as hell. God.
Real, I was like,
Hey, we got food at so I can try it.
We haven't done them yet.
I don't know what to eat.
You said what?
I don't know what to eat.
Nigga, go find your bitch. What'd I tell you about that shit, my nigga?
And eat her.
Huh?
And eat her.
Your knee hurt.
That's it. Eat her.
Ew. Nigga, what?
Go do it. Go do it.
you gonna buy it, I'll scope it out.
No, I'm not gonna buy it. Go do it.
Yeah, you talking about the weak ass. Y'all some cheaters. They y'all weak.
3P.
Cocksucker cheese.
They cheaters and they weak.
3P.
I will beat the shit out of Patrick Mahomes.
Oh, slap the shit out of Kelsey.
Damn, that nigga baby going crazy. Hey, I don't like home cameras and shit. I don't want nobody to sneak me and suck my ass in the back of my head, so I'm gonna come back to y'all niggas.
Hey, man, I gotta
That picture is 45. 45. You said the what? 45. For what?
That picture.
Oh, the picture 45? I fuck with that. That bitch player. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. The 49ers weak as hell.
Hey, what? You said what? What's your
Huh?
team? What's your team? You better not say no Patriots. What's your team?
49ers weak as hell, G.
Man, what is your team?
Where the Pacers at?
Matt, what is your team?
Where
Look,
the
he
Pacers
avoided
at?
the question.
Where the Pacers at?
What's your football team, man?
I go for the Baltimore Ravens.
Man, no you don't.
That Saints was dope.
You look like a Saints fan.
Oh, my bad. I was finna start some shit. I'm finna say, hey, man, he over here talking about the 49ers weak. I was finna tell that to the black nigga right there. He gonna say, what, cuz?
I'm gonna say, up to the last Super Bowls he played y'all.
Nigga gonna throw some beef jerky at his ass.
Somebody would say extra cheese and all that. And you want to do the body.
Oh.
If a nigga tell them
Somebody
fuck
say
me, what
something
they
about
gonna
my
do?
Niners.
If a nigga
I'm ready to fight.
Look, if
Because they going to bring up that Super Bowl loss.
if a nigga tell the Chiefs, fuck me, what the Chiefs gonna do?
None.
Right.
They don't know you, fool.
I don't know them.
So why
So why you go for
them?
them?
You know them so much.
So that's my
Why
team.
you go for them? You know niggas that play for the Rams.
So
They know you. They gonna fight for you. You supposed to go for the Rams.
And the Chargers, bro. Like,
That's what I'm talking about. Hey, my man, I like that shirt. Don't switch up. I like that shirt.
Not winning
Yeah.
no more Super Bowls.
Don't worry about it, brother.
hey,
We won enough.
hey. That's why you avoided the question. Because I said your.
I don't know. I can't hear you. Hey, she needs some more. She needs some more solution.
I sell 3 for $5 or 2 for $3.
2 for $3.
Yep.
2 for $3.
Yep.
Yeah, we need some more solution. Oh, give me $3. We ain't getting this sword though. That's for a fact.
Can I get a sword?
Nigga, get your dumb ass up out of here.
Thank you. Appreciate you.
Nigga asking me, can he get a sword? Mama, put that down. Come here, look. Come here. Come here, look. Go get your bubble gum. Go get your bubble gum. Oh. No, she don't want it right now. She don't want it right now. Put it back. That nigga talking about bad, can I buy a sword? Nigga. Grown ass man. I'm gonna put a solution in my pocket. This nigga 40 asking me, can he buy a sword? Hey man, I'm gonna come back to y'all niggas, bro. I ain't gonna lie. You press play? Hey, I ain't gonna lie. I'm gonna end the video off with this. This shit disgusting. No, no cap. Don't order this shit, bro. I swear to God.
Now I'm back like I never left. Boosies and I step. I got stripes like a fucking ref. I heard I'm a